This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com.
Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Okay, let's shift to the gold market. On the gold market, you can see price stands in the tight range. And in fact, as I said yesterday, this scenario is very similar to the action that now stands on the euro currency, because there, as we have just discussed, price also stands inside of the Friday's trading session. So here we see the same stuff. You can see that this Friday's high wave pattern. Okay, Monday stands inside of it, inside session. Tuesday is also inside session. Market has made an attempt to continue move higher, but failed there and turns right back to the open price. So market stands in some of the indecision, coiling inside of the range of the Friday and building in energy. So very probable it should lead to some breakout. In general, you can see that this now looks like the bearish pennant. Although one of the scenarios, the setups that we have discussed yesterday could become this ABCD pattern. And theoretically it's still valid, because you can see this low still holds. But the price action, not very common for usual development of the CD leg. So that is it. I understand that is AB leg, that is retracement. But that start of the CD leg looks very curious. So it has not any so-called impulse character, no impulse power. So that is just flat, choppy price action, as you can see on the intraday charts. That is not natural for continuation of the AB leg after retracement. CD leg should not start in that kind of action. That's why personally I'd not very like to think about entering long with the retracement to the upside. And that makes me think that the scenario that we have called as the more probable yesterday, I talked about the double bottom pattern on the daily time frame, now has even more probability to happen, because I bet I would probably like to see some sort of the downward continuation, grabbing the stops, as I said, below this low and returning right back before I even will start to think about the potential long entry on the gold market, with the hope of the deeper retracement right to the 1630 area, approximately at minimum. So that being said, on the daily time frame, now it looks more like market still will show downward leg. Will it be just grabbing the stops below this low and return right back for the further upward retracement, or that will be just the continuation to the downside? It's difficult now to say. But currently I do not want to take any long position by looking at this price action on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, what we see here, overall price action looks like pennant and triangle pattern on the 4-hour time frame that has the bearish nature, since this is symmetrical triangle is the bearish continuation pattern. Another moment that I do not like much, take a look at the recent price action. That was our upward action that we have discussed yesterday, but where market has stopped. Market stopped right at the weekly pivot point, so just tested the top, not even quite touched it, and returns right back. So market now continues to hold below the weekly pivot point. If we will measure the classical approach to trading of triangles, this is the distance before triangle, and we will count it to the downside if market will show the breakout. This approximately gives us an area around 1545, slightly lower than the low on the daily time frame, and around the weekly pivot support 1. You can see also that weekly pivot support 1 stands slightly lower than this low on the daily time frame. So the wash and rinse pattern is very probable in this area. If it will happen, only after that we could think about the entering on the long side of the market, and even for retracement, for a small bounce to the upside. Small, I mean in the terms of the daily time frame, but not to hold long position forever. This is not long-term upward trade. This will be just a trade for a bouncing, some sort of the scalp trade. And the third moment on the 4-hour time frame. Take a look at this action. You can see that market has shifted trend to the bullish side. So this is a MACD predictor. Market stands above this red line that tells us that on the MACD indicator trend will be bullish. But take a look at the price action. Price action stands flat and market forms lower highs. That is some sort of the bearish dynamic pressure. That's why my thought is that probably market will show the move to the downside. That's my current view on the market. I do not even have the hourly time frame here, because on the hourly time frame I do not see any interesting right now. So if you would like to take scalp short position, you could try to trade either with the stop entry order with the breakout of this triangle to the downside against these highs, against this upper breakout of this triangle, or if you trade on the daily time frame, it's better to wait until market will taken out of these lows. If we will see grabbing stop and stops below it and fast return back above this high, then probably could be the wash and rinse, and that probably could be the double bottom on the daily time frame. That will let us to think about the entering on the long side of the market. Until that will happen, it's probably better to stay flat.